You gotta explain to Daddy what this is. This is your second time
It's my second time.
with the loose tooth.
Loose tooth.
You gotta stand with your mouth wide open, face the door, and you gotta count to, what are you gonna count to?
21.
Okay, when you get to 21, you gotta throw the door as hard as you can,
Okay.
and you gotta keep your mouth open like this.
Ah!
Okay?
Okay.
Go ahead.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 28, 29, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29,
30,
30,
31.
31.
Oh! I hear it on the floor somewhere. Here it is. Is that it?
Yes, it is!
Show Daddy your tooth. Show him your tooth.
Wow.
Look at his mouth, Daddy.
Look at all the blood.
Okay, go do the thing and rinse it out again. Oh my god! Oh, Willa's not gonna like this. Rinse it out.
Oh,
Rinse it some more.
oh. That wasn't easy.
Rinse it some more.
Let me see your tooth, son.
Still bleeding.
Let me see your mouth.
Oh my god, Mommy, I yanked it out.
Drink underneath the water. Swish your mouth. Like a drinking fountain. Go here and rinse it.
Let me see the tooth, Mom.
There it is.
Let me see your tooth, your thing, puppy. Turn around. Let me get a close up. Hold on. All right, it came out.
Finally, now they can grow right.
Finally. Say goodbye, son.
Bye.